Hey, what's up? I have three beautiful sourdough bread here. Can you tell me the difference?
Hey, what's up? Experiment time. 20%, 50%, or 100% whole wheat. I'm gonna make three beautiful mini whole wheat bread and see what is the difference between them. For 20% whole wheat, I have 120-gram bread strong flour, 30-gram whole wheat flour, 110 milliliters water, so this is a 75% hydration, and 3-gram salt, 30-gram starter, super active starter. For 50% whole wheat, everything is the same, but I have 75-gram whole wheat and 75-gram bread strong flour. And of course, for 100% whole wheat, I have 150-gram whole wheat flour. Mix all the ingredients together and let them rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, go ahead and give them one set of stretch and fold. You can check my method of making sourdough bread in page description. I will put the link for you. And of course, I will write down all of the recipes there. Go check it out. Grab the dough a couple of times and try to round it up inside the bowl. This is the 20%. Now, time to do the set of stretch and fold for 50% whole wheat. And this is 100% whole wheat. Let them rest for another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the second set of stretch and fold.
So let them rest for 45 minutes, then I'm gonna start coil fold.
To make sure my doughs are smooth and elastic, I'm gonna do one more coil fold after 45 minutes. And I'm gonna speed up the video so don't waste your time. Now let them to finish their bulk fermentation for 2 hours. After that, we are going to shape them. But before shaping, I'm gonna do the pre-shaping. Simply just round them up and let them rest on the counter for 20 minutes. So they have time to relax. Bring 3 beautiful mini-sized banneton. It's around 17 centimeters. And I'm gonna start with 20% whole wheat. You can check the shaping video to know more about my shaping method. I will put the link for you. Now time to shape 50% whole wheat. Last but not least, 100% whole wheat. Let them rest something between 1 to 2 hours, depends on your room temperature. Mine is 28 degrees Celsius. For me, it takes 1 hour to proof. Time to score them. If you want to know more about my scoring technique, you can check the video. I will put the link for you. And I'm gonna bake them from open baking. 20 minutes with steam and 20 minutes without steam. This is 20% whole wheat. %50 whole wheat. And as you can tell from its look, 100% whole wheat. Let's see what we got inside and check the crumbs. %20 open crumb, beautiful. For 50% also, we have a beautiful oven spring. But 100% whole wheat, of course, is a little bit compact and tight crumb. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in comment section. Like always, keep baking and take good care of yourself. And if you like this kind of videos, you can check out the rest of my experiment sourdough videos. And subscribe my channel.